What's the meaning of cosmos? Cosmos. Cosmos.
Cosmos. Cosmos. The term cosmos refers to the orderly, harmonious universe that surrounds us. It encompasses all of space and time, as well as all matter and energy within it. The cosmos is often associated with concepts such as infinity, vastness, and complexity. Scientists study the cosmos in order to better understand its origins, structure, and evolution. Philosophers and theologians have also long pondered the meaning and significance of the cosmos, considering questions about our place within it and the ultimate nature of reality itself.